Selling my house with Dirk and Alex has actually been so amazing. Like the whole time it's felt like talking with friends. Their communication is always really easy and prompt, and I always felt treated with respect, and the whole process has been just super easy. What was different about working with Dirk and Alex at Chesswork Property for me was that they just helped every step of the way. I wanted to move to the country. I was consolidating some debt. They just actually helped with every stage of the journey, which has been just taken so much stress off for me. They helped me with finance, they helped me with the move, they helped me organise different tradespeople that I needed to sort things out with the property. It's actually kind of mind-blowing, all of the different things they helped with. And just being able to do all of that with the one company, as a working single mum, has just, it's kind of astronomical. I can't even describe how much better that's made the process. The service, they really go above and beyond. Like I had my first home open, it was an Easter long weekend, and Dirk organised a home open, and within a couple of days we had a few written offers and we got a great price, and just an excellent result. I would absolutely recommend Dirk and Alex and the team at Chesswork for anyone who is looking to sell their house and sort out their finances and who wants a great result.